Stop trying to make her flirt. Create the conditions that make her want to. Most men push too hard. They talk too much, explain too much, and try to force chemistry with effort and lines. She smiles politely, but nothing opens, because flirting isn't triggered by words. It's triggered by energy. If your presence feels rushed, needy, or loud, her guard stays up. But if your presence is calm, grounded, playful, and a little mysterious, she relaxes. She becomes curious. She leans in. The goal isn't to perform. It's to create a space that feels safe but charged. Slow your voice. Hold her gaze a moment longer. Offer a light tease, then give the moment room to breathe. Share hints, not your entire history. When you stop chasing reactions and start controlling rhythm, everything changes. She begins sending the signals: longer glances, softer tone, subtle proximity. Below are the core principles that shift you from chasing to being chased. 1. The energy that makes her flirt. Women respond to the feeling you create in your presence, not the words you use. Calm, grounded, unapologetic energy creates intrigue and safety at the same time. That's when her body language shifts: lingering smiles, subtle touches, the instinctive lean toward you. Women read tone, rhythm, eye contact, and micro-expressions instantly. If you're anxious or seeking approval, she senses it before you say a word. But if your energy says, "I'm enough. I don't need anything from you," curiosity ignites. Presence, not performance, is magnetic. Slow movements, steady breathing, intentional pauses, and quiet confidence naturally pull her in. 2. Playful silence, the unspoken invitation. Most men fear silence and try to fill every gap. But silence, used intentionally, is one of the most seductive tools you have. The space between your words builds tension. Your calmness in silence communicates confidence and emotional control. Instead of scrambling to entertain her, simply hold the moment. Look at her. Smile lightly. Let the pause settle. She'll lean in. She'll speak first. She'll feel the pull. Silence becomes an invitation, not emptiness. 3. Compliments that touch her mind. "You're beautiful" means nothing. She's heard it 1,000 times. If you want to stand out, compliment the things most men never notice: her focus, her presence, her tone, her discipline, her energy. Compliments that make her think create emotional connection, not ego boosts. These compliments show depth, restraint, and attention. They make her feel seen, not evaluated. That's what sparks intrigue. 4. The power of mystery. Mystery isn't an act, it's restraint. Most men overshare quickly, trying to prove themselves. But the man who reveals himself slowly stays interesting. A little unpredictability, a little distance, a little quiet confidence keeps her imagination engaged. Curiosity fuels attraction. When she can't quite read you, she invests more emotionally trying to understand you. Leave space for discovery. Don't rush to explain everything. 5. Detachment creates emotional pull. Detachment isn't coldness. It's emotional self-control. When men get attached too fast, they chase. They react. They overthink. And they lose their center. Detachment removes neediness and replaces it with presence. When you're calm, even when she pulls back, she senses strength. Women test for this instinctively. The man who stays centered becomes the one she gravitates toward. 6. Tease, then pause, the rhythm of attraction. Attraction has a rhythm. Most men push non-stop. Seduction isn't in the constant pursuit, it's in the contrast. Give her enough to spark interest, then pause before she can fully settle into it. The tease creates tension. The pause makes her chase clarity. This rhythm mirrors the psychology of desire. Anticipation increases emotional investment. 7. Make her chase the conversation. Talk less, but with more intention. Give answers that spark curiosity, not monologues that explain everything. Let her ask the next question. Let her lean in. When she works to keep the conversation moving, she becomes invested. People value what they have to earn. Your composure, not your words, is what makes her chase. 8. The Stoic charm. Calm is the new attractive. Real confidence is quiet. Emotional stillness is rare and magnetic. Your calm becomes something she mirrors. Your steady presence makes her feel grounded. The man who doesn't react impulsively, who listens fully, who responds slowly, stands out in a world of noise. Calmness isn't lack of passion. It's controlled energy, and women feel it instantly. 9. Read her energy, not her words. Women communicate attraction more through energy than language. Her words may push you away, but her tone, eyes, posture, and rhythm may be pulling you closer. Don't overanalyze texts or literal statements. Tune into presence. Attraction lives in tension, glances, pauses, and subtle shifts. Read the energy beneath the surface. 10. Lead the moment, then walk away first. The man who leaves at the peak of chemistry, rather than overstaying, creates unforgettable tension. Ending the moment first isn't rejection. It's confidence. It shows emotional independence and creates space for her mind to replay the interaction. Desire grows in your absence. When you leave intentionally, you build anticipation and curiosity. She starts hoping you'll return. Conclusion. Flirting isn't about tricks, lines, or pressure. It's about energy, presence, timing, and emotional control. When you master these, flirting becomes natural, mutual, and effortless. You stop chasing, and she starts leaning in.